It's gone. It's still there. Let me finish this other side, and then I'll show you the complete view. Hey, it's Jason. I'm here with the Pumie toilet bowl ring remover. I bought one of these probably 5 years ago, and I misplaced it. Or maybe the cleaners that we have inadvertently borrowed it. But we live on a well, and you can see if you look in the toilet, you would think this toilet has been sitting and that ring accumulated. But it just happens because of the well water, and we do have a water treatment system, but I suppose the water is just a tad bit harder, and if it sits for any length of time when you go out of town and such, that can happen. With this little gizmo, you put it in, soak it just a little bit in the toilet bowl water, and it just rubs that ring right out. I'm absolutely in love with these things. I use them on the upstairs toilet and downstairs toilet. The toilet in our master bedroom does not have this issue. It is a brand new toilet, so maybe that's why. And it's also one of those low water. It uses, the air compression for an assisted flush. So let me show you how this works. So it's kind of hard. I was initially really concerned that it would scrape the toilet, but it doesn't. And you basically just go in here. And it literally will pull that ring right out, which is kind of crazy to me. So I'm just going to do this section here. I'm not putting a ton of pressure on it, but enough. And you can see the ring stops, picks back up. Let me do the rest of this, and then I'll show you the finished product. You can see kind of what it does to the brush, and it's pretty evident what side I've did. It's gone. It's still there. Let me finish this other side, and then I'll show you the complete view. That is the finished product. It had that huge ring, and now it is completely gone. I would say I could probably, judging by how much I used on this toilet, probably do it 10 times, which is a long time on the toilet. But you can see just how nice and clean that toilet bowl is now. This product was recommended by a house cleaner I had years ago. I bought it, I used it, and I guess it takes a long time for that ring to develop. Usually when we're out of town, it sits, we come back, we clean it. We have a cleaner that comes every 2 weeks to the house. So it's, it's definitely getting cleaned, but well water will kind of do that if it sits. I would say I probably did it last time. It was before my son was born, so it was definitely 5 years ago. So it takes years for that to develop slowly over time to get as thick as I just showed. Highly recommend this bad boy, the Pumie. I think it was like 12 bucks. I buy this specific brand because I'm afraid if I try to save a few dollars on the other brand, it may not be as good. Get that ring out of your toilet. We all know they're clean. We just know that sometimes that makes people think, yikes, have they not cleaned their toilet? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me. Have a great day. Hope this video was helpful.